it's Katie Weather here. Today we're giving an update on severe weather. Yes, because we do have an enhanced risk of severe weather for today. So I'm going to give an update on that. Um we're going to be seeing most of the severe weather up here in the northern United States here. So we do have an enhanced risk for today, like I said. I'm going to be giving you the risk, the tornado risk, the wind and hail threat, and the future models to show you exactly when and where the storms will be at what time. Coming up in today's video, so stay tuned. So now, let's get into the severe weather. So this is the National Weather Service's prediction. We don't have that much of severe weather. We do have some flood alerts along over here, but they're not really related to severe weather. We do have some excessive heat warnings, so you guys need to be taking heat precautions here and over here in the west. But we're not. That's not our topic today. But yes, definitely could see some severe weather alerts pop up in this area over here. Let's get into the risk for today. So this is the enhanced risk, as you can see. So this does include Fargo. That's our biggest city that's included in this. Fargo is included in this enhanced risk right here. So yes, Fargo is included, and yes, this enhanced risk does include parts of northern Minnesota. So if you live in this enhanced risk, definitely need to be taking weather precautions and stay weather aware. Because it definitely could see some severe weather, large hail, damaging winds, wind gusts 80 miles per hour possible at the max, and large hail definitely possible. So that is our enhanced risk for today. Let's see how many people are included in this enhanced risk. So it says here we have 402,000 people included in the enhanced risk. So that's how many people need to be on alert today. Not just that 804,000 people need slight risk. But that is our enhanced risk. Now let's get to the tornado risk. So this is the tornado risk. As you can see, it is only a 2% risk, but just because it's a 2%, I say it's a lot, but it's important. Just because it's a 2% tornado risk doesn't mean you won't see tornadoes at all. We've seen 2% tornado risk before, and we've had tornado warnings out of the 2% risk. So just because it's a 2% doesn't mean you won't see anything at all. But that is our 2% tornado threat, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and check here. And you see we have 602,000 people need to be on alert for seeing some tornadoes. Don't mute your phones tonight, because this could definitely be an overnight situation here. And stay weather aware and stay safe. Tornado warnings issued for your area. Get in your shelter. But that is our tornado risk. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the wind threat, which is why this is important. Because if you have any like items like cushions, pots, anything outdoors that may be blown away by wind, you might want to move those in a wind protected area, because we do have a pretty high wind chance, actually very high. 30% wind threat. This is very high. So let's include the cities of not Grand Forks, but Fargo included in this. This is kind of close to the enhanced risk area. But yes, definitely need to be protect your property, and a 15% wind threat over here. If you do see winds, it might be a little bit less strong in these other areas here included in this today. That is our wind threat. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the hail threat. So this is the hail risk. As you can see, we do have a 15% hail risk here, a little bit lower than the wind threat, but we do have a hail threat for today in the northern United States. Now to wrap up today's video, let's go and take a look at the models. So this is the models. As you can see, what I have already checked this, you're going to see multiple random storms come through. So we're starting off, this is going to be a very late night situation. We're not even seeing anything. It's about 8 o'clock. Then at about, I don't know, this is like 2 a.m. here. We start to see some storms start to fire up. And they really just fire up and bring lots of heavy showers and thunderstorms to parts of Minnesota here. So definitely just seeing Minnesota's going to be the first area that we're going to see storms pop up. And we take this a little bit further, it moves more into parts of Wisconsin, and then we're looking at two things here. We're looking at the one here in Minnesota going into parts of Wisconsin, and we're seeing another one here in parts of Montana and North Dakota, and a little bit of South Dakota there. So now we're just seeing two rounds that we're focusing on. This is about 8 a.m. here, so this is going to be all overnight into the morning hours, and then we're seeing lots of more storms pop up, and you see now it's mostly in North Dakota, and look what happens with these. Yeah, look how big and strong. Wow. Okay, this is just crazy. This is a huge line of storms here that we're seeing here. Big, strong line of storms here. Let me see what time this is. That's important. This is like tomorrow night. So so we do have a slight risk for tomorrow, and the reason why is because it's not only gonna be today, it's gonna be tomorrow too. So this is all of tomorrow's severe weather. Wow, we see purple there that indicates really strong hail and wind possible. Just look how long this is. This goes further than the whole um section here. So look how far that dips down. So yes, this is the line of storms, and then hang on just a second. And then where does that go? That goes into Wisconsin. Then it really just starts to calm down, and then it goes away. And look at that, we have nothing left. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like weather related videos. Um, don't forget to, if you have any other questions, don't forget to comment that down below and I should be able to answer them. And let's see if our Dallas, this camera is temporarily unavailable, but this is a look at what happened just a few minutes ago here in Dallas, just to end off the video here. Stay safe, stay weather aware, see you in the next video. Bye!